Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL.
Apong Cagayan, under 18 already into the finals. Sino kanilang makakalaban in this Battle of Laguna sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions Semifinals? Baron Mercado covering the action. And we are live here inside Banana Court. Yung kanina talagang tinambakan na, hindi na pinabawi, or talagang nakabawi na, I should say, itong Apong Cagayan versus Bataan, sending them into the finals. Next game, or this game I should say, will determine the second team na maglalaban bukas. Laguna MGBJ4, Cyrus Rejano and company, looking to make a statement and beat Laguna Impact Ballers. A big game para dito kay Justin Santos at kay CJ Satparam. Nice look, nice finish on the other side. Yuan Genil scoring on that alley-oop play. Justin Santos couldn't finish. Rebound secured by Genil. Cyrus Rejano, one of the more dynamic players into this under 18 squad, locates Yuan and will be at the line. Laguna Impact Ballers, of course, coached by Coach Luis San Buenaventura, making it as far right now as the semifinals, looking to crack in once again into a big game. Waiting on the wings ay itong Apong Cagayan. Genil secures both free throws. 4 points para sa kanya. Satparam and his teammates looking to make something happen. Cyrus Rejano off the pickoff gets that steal. MGBJ4 up by 11. Timeout called by Eastprint.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
On the breakaway, after timeout, nakabawi, nagising Miguel Narca, able to score on that layup. Napanood natin kanina on how Coach Louie just confronted Narca as he was stripped by Cyrus Rejano on that last play. Nakabawi, naka-score agad. Here's Rejano, another takeaway on the run. Narca with a finish. 6-11. Rejano sends it off. Yuan with 2 points. Getting those points back. Satparama gives it to Luzon and he finished that one. Candy Luzon makes that basket. Tough angle on that layup. Hindi papasok. Para dito kay Kurt Kayaba. Uno Pineda missing on that 3. Justin Santos gets the mess. Cleans up the mess and shoots. 13-8. Tough angle on that shot. Jared Edian naka-score dito sa ating first quarter. Fading away. A miss by, I believe that was Narca. (15-8). Eastprint, or I should say Laguna Impact, looking to make some moves. Santos knocks down a 3 with the help of the board. Jaden Di Malanta nanunood pa rin dito sa ating Manny Pacquiao Jr. MPBL. Now under 18 na ang ating contest, looking to qualify to the finals. The winner of this one, Battle of Laguna, Uno Pineda, caught an arm on that defense. There's a foul call. Uno will be at the line. (15-13) para dito sa MGBJ4. Di na natin pwedeng sabihin Laguna kasi parehas nga sila na taga Laguna dito. So we'll just refer to them with their team names. MGBJ4, they have possession, knocking down that 3. Rejano has been on fire to start off this game. Almost a steal. Narca having problems. Nadalawa na siya ni Rejano. Sends it on the right. Basket is good. Carl Kayaba makes that basket. 20-14. Satparam sends it to Justine. Looks for a friend. Here's Miguel looking to use the screen. Another three-pointer. A miss by Satparam. Rehano once again. Genil all alone. Hits on the left. Rebound secured by Kenji Luzon. Nice bullet pass. Big to big passing. So far they're going it or giving it to Justine Santos. Mamaya antayin natin if CJ Satparam can cover up for that points para dito sa Impact Ballers. (20-16) is the score. Nakabuelo, Satparan, bitin, Luzon couldn't get that whistle. Sends it out, Puno Pineda knocks it down. (18-20). Nakabawi, 16-9 run para dito sa Laguna Impact Ballers. Rehano on fire. That is what? Third three-pointer of the contest already para dito kay Cyrus Satparam. Creating some space, CJ with a miss. Good recovery. Balik ang bola dito sa Impact Ballers. Went for that dive itong si Kenji Luzon. 23-18. Sam De La Cruz has been deployed here. Pulls up for 3. Masyadong malakas para kay Salm. Kenil loses the possession. Coach Luis San Buenaventura sabi niya last touch itong MGBJ4. Referees obliged on that last one. Luzon, a tight pass. Just running down. How do you stop that? Justin Santos lays it in. Matthew Peteros, to an X factor for Coach Louie. Can produce some points in a hurry. Big three, and it's in. Made that shot count. Peteros, guarded by Cyrus Rehano, sends it on the left. Thought about that three. Goes for the attack. Luzon. Corner shot. Peteros hindi makakapuntos. Another run. Rehano bumps. And a blocking foul will be called. Not yet in the penalty. So with 14.7 to go. Balik ang possession, ang bola sa MGBJ4. Genil wastes away the clock, uses the pick. Says 7. They're going in for the kill. Genil fakes on that three. Balik kay Rehano to end the quarter. Went straight, but it is off on that attempt. 11-2 tayo nagsimula in favor of MGBY4. Pero babalik tayo dito sa ating aksyon. Let's see what will happen in the second quarter.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko.
Start of the second quarter. MG BJ4 leading here 26-20. Rejano had a first quarter that we will all remember, and he starts things off throwing a foul on that drive. Cyrus Rejano knocks down the first one. Second attempt is also good for one Cyrus Rejano. 27-20. Gandang drive naman noon. Renz Fernandez able to score on that tough layup. Flores balik kay Rejano using this sulit pick. Cyrus for 3. Didn't explode. That bomb planted by Rejano. Petero secures that rebound. Satparam, konti pa lang ang kanyang naipupuntos. Sulit will be called for that foul. CJ Satparam, one of the more talented players here in the under-18 Battle of Champions. Missing on that first. Parang na-jinx ko ata itong si CJ Satparam. Misses on the second. Gets that rebound was Agustin. Third Agustin has entered the game. Cyrus Rejano leaving the defense. Sends it. Sulit for 3. Kaboom! (31-22). 9-point lead. Nice pass. CJ Satparam. Kaso tatawagan ng foul si Concebido. Able to be in that play itong si Concebido, yun nga lang natawagan siya ng foul. Satparam once again can't find the rhythm. Luzon, parang sabi niya, parang hindi ka madalas nagmimintis at the free throw area. What's happening? So knocking down the second one. 2 out of 4 para kay CJ Satparam. 31-23. Rejano. Skyros on that move. Circus time for Rejano. Lead is up to 10. Satparam gives it to Luzon. Rejano takes the ball on the race. Cyrus Rejano bumps and will be fouled. No choice but to give up that foul. Renz Fernandez, a tall task to guard Cyrus Rejano. Timeout is called. 10-point lead. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
Almost a turnover. Looking to steal it from behind. Nice control by Santos. Satparam, balik kay Justine. Santos for 3. That is off. 33-23 Cyrus Rejano. My goodness, having a wonderful semi-final performance. Guarded by Fernandez. Once again, Cyrus drives. He is just on another zone. Cyrus Rejano very pumped up in this one. Santos just lays the ball in. Fernandez caught too close. Laguna MG BJ4. Cyrus Rejano just causing mayhem in this game. Agustin open for 3. Nagkahawa-hawa na. Third Agustin with a big 3-pointer. Can't answer with the 3 of their own. Fernandez couldn't lock and load. .548 nakawala. Miguel with that move. Narca able to lay it up. A steal on the other side. Satparam gives it to Narca. Extra pass, nice recovery. Now on the break, once again, guys wearing green. Gregorio, di papasok. Agustin, second 3 of the game. That is off the mark. 38-27, Cagayan can't handle the rock there, and just a careless pass on that one. No one was ready to rescue. The Energy Wizards up here by 11. Impact Ballers looking to fire off this Energy Wizards team. Cayuba behind his back. What a play! Nico Concebido. What a pass. On the other side, Cayaba with a find. Sprint Impact will be calling for time.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang
13-point lead, 40-27. Good news is Laguna is already in the finals. Bad news, sino kaya dito sa dalawang to ang hindi makakarating doon? So far, the Energy Wizards up by 13 points. Impact Ballers need to shake things off and find that extra switch. Nice drive. CJ Satparama now getting his spots in this game. Traveling call as the bigs of Impact now starting to make a mark. Uno Pineda passes it to Santos. Second serving, Satparam. Balik kay Santos and one. Just a luxury of bigs. And itong si Santos and Satparam loves playing with each other here. Alam na alam nila kung saan nakapwesto ang isa't isa. And they like, for me, no, watching, covering their games. I like their dynamic. They will be two of the reasons why Impact Ballers can make a comeback or possibly make it into the finals. On the other side, Sulit, another 3 drops. Two 3-pointers from Sulit. Magkabilang kanto ba? Sulit again. 8 points in the quarter. What energy. Joaquin Sulit again has 8 points. Uno Pineda, they need to take control. 13-point lead. Pineda couldn't find the glass. Can't save is Santos. When you have Joaquin Sulit knocking down your threes, so mahirap talunin itong kuponang ito. Rejano still on the bench. Javier Concebido was turned away. Javier, balik kay Concebido. Can't find the basket. Resets. Bumps. Waits for the call. Offensive foul. So with 2 minutes remaining dito sa ating laro, these two squads still giving it their all. Narca spins. Basket won't fall, but will be at the line. Narca misfires on the first one. A minute 50. 45 to 33. Javier at saka itong sila Kayaba holding their ground, and a steal. Narca. Oh, sorry, miss. Para dito kay Narca. Satparam. Nice defense by Gregorio. Smallest man on the court. Standing against dito kay Satparam. Kayaba made a highlight of a pass early. Javier is asking for it. Kayaba couldn't find the angle. On the run. Narca, touchdown. 45-35. Final 50 remaining dito sa ating second quarter action. Looking to operate Carl Kayaba. Balik dito kay Concebido. Javier looks for that pick, that jumper. Too short. Another leak out. Narca, stop and pop. Bitin. Gets his rebound. Didiscarte once again. Pineda using the Santos pick. Masyadong mababa ang pasa. Now on the drive, Concebido loses the ball, finishing through contact. Knocks down the bonus. Itong si Concebido. 13 points pa rin ang kalamangan. And a steal. Here's Gregorio once again. Gregorio on the lay-in. He writes the last sentence of this chapter. 15-point lead. Energy Wizards up by 15. Will be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyo.
Starting of the second half of action, Impact Ballers getting the first 2 points dito sa Battle of Laguna, Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Semifinals Battle of Champions. Liam Sinag enters the game with a 2-pointer. Narca couldn't find the bullseye on that 3. Kayaba has been steady at the point guard position. "16 seconds on the shot clock as we are in the opening moments of our third quarter. Couldn't find the right angle on that one. Running start, Narca all the way. Been leaking out all day long itong si Miguel Narca, looking to open up the floodways of an Impact Baller attack. Offensive foul is called. Elisa Riba has been deployed here. Hindi pa natin nakikita ulit Cyrus Rejano having one of the best first half we have seen. Ito na ba ang oras for CJ Satparam? Down by 11, 41-52. Nice defense, goes for a spin, couldn't get it. This is the Impact Ballers chance makalapit. Wala pang puntos on the side of MGB. The Energy Wizards so far in the third quarter lacking energy. 52-41. CJ Satparam bumps and there's a foul call. Babadilla will be called for that foul. CJ Satparam back at the free throw area. One more time, he knocks it down. 9 or 10 point lead. Couldn't make that basket still. Wala pa rin puntos ang Energy Wizards in this game. Impact Ballers making their plays. Stepping on the line was Narka. Ten-point lead for the Energy Wizards. Hinahanap pa rin ang kanilang unang basket. Kayaba couldn't bring them that mark. Narka for 3. Yes, sir! Big 3 by Miguel Narka. 46-52. Anim na lang to answer back. Still won't fall. Sulit will be fouling Satparam. And so far, with 6 minutes 5 remaining, MGBJ4 wala pang puntos. And to make things worse, 4 na yung kanilang team foul. Isa na lang, they will be in the penalty. Narka has been the engine of this offense. Luzon, Satparam drives, drops it off to Kenji. That foul will put them at the penalty area with 5:35 remaining. Kenji Luzon knocks down the first. Impact Ballers 5:35 all control, though missing on the second. Baba sa 5 ang kanilang hinahabol. Kayaba gives it to Sulit. Rejano enters the game and starts off with a 3. Was wondering why he took so long to get back. Nakasagot agad Cyrus Rejano ng 3-pointer. Satparam unstoppable in the third. Satparam and Narka leading the squad. Rejano, door was closed. Genil, corner, Sulit. Rejano out rebounding the bigger Santos. That is a pass. That is a pass. Pag pumasok, pasa. Rejano was rescued that time. Santos will be fouled with 4:28 penalty situation. Justin Santos sinks the first one. Makes it both 50-57. Kayaba attacks, sends it out, turns it over. Narca, Uno Pineda, stops on the dime, shoots the three. That is just pure confidence for Uno Pineda. 4-point lead. Traveling call on Cayaba. (57-53) Uno couldn't hit that three. MGBJ4 Rejano couldn't knock down the three-pointer. Almost a steal. Santos on the drive. Justin all the way. (57-55) Dalawa na lang. Cayaba looking to orchestrate a three ball. That is short. Narca looking for the tie. Been down all game long. Satparam for three. Off the mark. Rebound. Luzon ties the game. Sprint Laguna Impact Ballers getting the tie. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga.
.250 remaining. Tabla tayo at 57. Impact Ballers strong third quarter. Energy Wizards lost their lead. Merong hawak itong si Narca. This is only the first team foul of Impact Ballers. 2 minutes 25. Sulit, balik kay Cayaba. Santos, they wait for this attack. Kenil for two. Breaks the tie for the first time. Narca all the way. Using his offhand. Kenil looks for Concebido. A minute 47 remaining. Rejano fakes. Nice pass to Sulit. Rejected that time. Concebido mapuputokan ng 24. Impact Ballers hindi pa nakakalamang. Satparam, masyadong malakas yung floater. On the run, Rejano, masyadong malayo. As we are nearing the end of our third quarter, can Impact Ballers have the first taste of the lead? Luzon forced the tie. Here is Satparam. Gets that rebound again si Kenji. Narca for three. Bullseye! First taste of the lead. 62-59. Rejano, 1 3-pointer in this game for the tie. Gets that friendly bounce. We are in for an exciting fourth quarter. 62 all. Satparam. Balik kay Narka. CJ for 3. Couldn't get it. Rejano. Foot race. Sulit. Can't make it. Genil gives them the lead. 2.4 seconds remaining. 2.4 ang ating oras. 64-62, high octane under 18 division. Let's see if Impact Ballers can score on this possession.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan.
2.4 seconds remaining. Looking for a basket. Satparam ties the game. 64 all. Kapit, mga kababayan. Tabla tayo at 64. Fourth quarter coming up.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan.
Fourth quarter action. Tied at 64. Rejano and Company versus Narka and Crew. First 2 points dropping in on the side of MGYB J4. Energy Wizards scored first. Better start than their third. Miss 3 by Narka. 66-64. Isa pa sa ilalim. Back to back for Jared Edian. Satparam with a bump. Nice defense by Edian. And so far, making some mark. (68-64). Kayaba will not get that friendly roll. Ball is tapped. It is rescued. Nagmamadali. Here we go on that drive. Satparam with a miss. Lozon creates contact and will be shooting two. knocks down the second one. 1 point or make it 3 ang kalamangan dito ng Energy Wizards, MGBJ4. Cayaba finds Rejano after being denied. Cayaba with a miss. Rebound by Luzon. Satparam on the break. CJ will be pushed. Merong foul na naman. ...18 seconds on the shot clock. Luzon will be rewarded. Kanina pa nagsisipag itong si Kenji Luzon, being rewarded with that deuce. Rejano will go for that in and out. Malakas ang pasa, balik sa kampo ng MGBJ4. Henil, 3 off. 68-67. 1 point lead, Satparam. Narca, they give it in the post. Kenji Luzon fakes. What a game by Kenji Luzon in the fourth, showing us the bag in the post. 69-68. Rejano just finding Henil. Yuan Henil also making some response. A steal from behind. Nice recovery on the run. Yuan will be fouled by Santos. Stepping up itong si Yuan Henil, missing on the first. Again, whatever happens, pasok na ang Laguna sa finals. Inaalam na lang natin kung MGBJ4 ba or Impact Ballers ang magre-representa dito sa Laguna in the Battle of Champions. Nice pass by Satparam. Just couldn't find the mark itong si Luzon. 71-69. Couldn't get that basket to go was Cayaba. Satparam using his long stride, bitin yung kanyang tira doon, malayo yung take off. Rejano fakes, shoots. Tignan makaisa. Santos, Satparam, balik kay Santos. It's like when Kevin Durant teams up with Wembanyama. Ganyan ang itsura nitong opensa ng Impact Ballers. Muntik na makapasok, pero will shoot free throws itong si Jared Idian. Misses on the first. 5:26 to go. Tabla at 71. Another close contest in our hands. Missing both. Luzon gets that rebound. Satparam, balik dito kay Santos. Look at your bigs calling out plays. And here comes your guards. Uno Pineda, balik kay Santos for 3. Yes, sir! Again, having Kevin Durant and Victor Wembanyama on the same team. Yun ang itsura ni CJ Satparam at Justin Santos for impact ballers. Both of them can dribble, both of them can hit outside shots, play make. Luxury for Coach Luis San Buenaventura. Pineda looking to increase their lead. This is their largest lead of the game. Luzon, balik kay Narca for 3. Balik kay Santos, offensive rebound. 10 seconds to work with. Narca looking to dance. Shoots. Could that get that friendly roll? Santos was asking for it on the right wing, I should say. Santos with a rebound. Satparam with the ball. Pineda, one-hander is good. Laguna Impact Ballers, led by their Twin Towers, up here by 5.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan.
Down by 5, Cyrus Rejano and company looking to cut the lead. Rejano, safe to say, has gone cold in the second half. Kickball. Energy Wizards will have another shot at the possession. Yuan Henil having a solid fourth. Mintes, nice block. Napunta dito sa ating harapan. Kenji Luzon holding on to his ankle on that last one. (76-71). Will look to go for another big play. Muntik na para kay Santos. (76-71). Kenji Luzon, garap, susubukang pagpagin na lang as he looks to help his team here. Final 3 minutes to go. 1 out of 2 from the free throw area. Henil sends it in the corner. A 3. Couldn't make. Offensive rebound. Concebido gets that ball. Sulit has returned to the action. Henil for 3. Can't get those 3-point shots to go. They have gone cold shooting from the outside. Impact Ballers on the other hand just continued to play their game. Santos, bang! 2 3-pointers in the fourth. Justin Santos can't answer on the three. Last 2 minutes incoming. Nice steal by Yuan. Henil and the Energy Wizards looking for an answer. Rejano still can't shoot. Wild pass went nowhere. What a difference 2 basketball half can make. First half, it's all energy boost, Energy Wizards I should say. Impact Ballers taking control of that third quarter. And now having a 9-point lead. Led by Justin Santos. Dribbling violation nga lang. There you go for a response. Kayaba answers with a 3. This is a 2-possession ball game. Santos wants to take control. Narca, bang! Now the outside shooting favoring Impact Ballers. Parang nagkapalit yung magkaparehong team. On the first half, it's all MGBJ4. Now it's all Impact. Nice block by Santos on a runaway. Justin lays it in. As Impact Ballers can taste and smell the finals. Narca all smiles as he guards Rejano. Cyrus quiet so far. Nice steal. There was Narca on that one. Sat Param soft arms that one. Isa pa. I don't know what happened. Impact Ballers down in the first half. Then come second, they didn't allow MGBJ4 to score for at least 4 minutes. Santos, Satparam, Narca, Laguna Impact Ballers will go on to the finals. This will be a good under 18 game. Laguna versus Apong Cagayan. 87-74. Bowing out Laguna MGBJ4. We are now set in the under 18. Under 21 naman tayo. Sino kaya ang maglalaban sa finals? Yan ang ating panonoorin sa aming pagbabalik.
Liga ng